brinner! Det brinner!
Then let's leave. We have to sluta. There's a major fire.
I don't know what's going on.
It's a fire. It's a fire. Everybody's going outside.
It wasn't me. I swear. I swear it wasn't me. I was with Cash all the time. I swear.
Come on.
Come get me on.
Fire!
I have to make your head count outside. So go.
Okay.
I'm responsible for you. So.
Maybe I should go so I won't burn in. Fire!
We feel really safe.
What happened to y'all yesterday? Nobody said that.
Someone told me that it wasn't any.
I know it's called in English.
Yeah, the minister was stopping y'all.
It's a freaking fire and they are discussing. Fire! We need to go! This is what we do when it comes to fire.
Gangsta. This motherfucker here. Motherfuckers wanna act gangsters here. Motherfuckers wanna act gangsters here. I'm a player, motherfucker. Filmar du eller?
Självklart.
Matt, du hjälps upp!
Det brinner! Yes!
Fire! Fire!
Go! We have to be quick and fast. Käften, man är död!
Det ska ändras! Det ska ändras till din
Oh shit! Fire and gunshots! Oh my god!
Det är ingen... Det var...
Ja.
Är det bara övning?
Förlåt.
Är du säker?
Ja,
Vem sa det?
jag vet det. Is this a real fire? I don't know.
If we're lucky, we can see fire trucks! Yay!
So, this is so ridiculous. I swear. I swear. Where are my students? I'm here.
I'm here!
Only two. Okay, 4. Where are the rest? Okay, you know I was in your lesson all the time. I was in the toilet, but that was just for a few minutes.
Right.
Okay? She's got proof.
Yeah.
We're not sitting there.
Oh shit! Erase this, okay? Fire trucks! Fire trucks! Incoming! Incoming!
Something green.
Fire! Again!
They asked me to move the car so I can't move.
Okay, let's get some firemen or firefighters or whatever on tape. So we can drew and drew and drew. So, can we go? Oh!
Eller mer fysik liksom.
I don't want to have more physics.
I don't wanna wait.
For our lives to be over.
Right now.
Maybe if we go now, they'll think we died in the fire.
Ja.
And we won't get... they won't get mad. Because you can't be mad at a dead person, right?
No. Especially if you die in a fire.
Especially.
We should get a memorial for dying in the fire of 07. Or just a stupid award for dying in a fake fire.
And the ones who were Yahoo with no class too. So, you have what? 20 minutes to do what?
We can dance.
We can dance.
We can boogie all night.
Oh, that's next.
We can dance.
We can dance.
We can boogie all. We can go home.
So what is the decision?
It all depends on you.
Half of the class assume that they could go home
Yeah.
or go somewhere.
I don't know. And that person also.
I vote for home.
So I don't know.
Let's go home.
If you want, just want to start next week.
Let's turn to Ahmad
8
for
eyes.
inspiration of what.
So we just start next week and everyone is there.
Yeah, we can do like that. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then you can go enjoy the weather and
Yeah.
then
but
go
it's
for your
cold.
2 o'clock for your furthest thing. I got some books to prepare. Is that okay?
That's okay.
Totally.
See you then.
All right. We get to go right on.
Right on.
Oh, yeah, right. See you all on Monday. Like, I'm gonna go. Bye. I'm never coming back. Ever. Never, ever. Oh, so we just walked down 4 stairs and then up and then down again. But it's totally worth it. No physics, no physics.